Good morning, everyone. In this video, we will look at a case study on the connected circles problem. Now let's look at this problem. Here is all the connected circles. So all the circles are connected. So we use this red color to denote that all these circles are connected. Now, all the circles here, now they're not connected because look at this one here is isolated. It's not connected. So there's no solid color. So here, let me run this one here. So you see this two are not connected, but you add another one, so everything's connected. And now this is not connected. And so this, but you have add another one here, everything's connected. So we're going to write a program to solve this problem. First, we need to find whether all the circles are connected. If we know the circles are connected, we're going to assign the red color to all the circles. The problem can be solved using the depth first search. Each circle is a vertex. If two circles overlap, we're going to assign an edge between the two corresponding vertices. So we're going to write this program as this right here. And we're going to have this, the graph class imported here. And we have this repaint. So here, the number of circles here, and the circles here, we have, this is the circles here. We're going to have right here, and so we're going to have the window and have the canvas and put the window canvas to the window. And here is, and all the circles, and this is the list. And now we're going to go to look at this empty the canvas, delete everything on the canvas, and if the list, the size is 0 for all the circles, and now nothing to paint. So now we're going to build the graph. So this is all the edges. So this is all the edges, and look at the two circles, and check if they overlap. If so, we're going to have this edge on both directions. And now we're going to create this graph. So here's the graph we're going to create. So we're going to create this graph here is using this circles, and this is all the vertices, and this is all the edges, and perform a depth first search starting from the vertex with index 0. And now we're going to see if the number of vertices found is the same as the number of circles. And now all the circles are connected. So here we're going to look if all the circles are connected. We're going to and draw this over with a color, and otherwise we just draw this over and without a field and a color. So this is with color red, and this doesn't have any color. So this is a case study to find the connected circles if all the circles are connected. We reduce the problem into a graph problem and using the depth first search to solve it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.